visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal reading. So let's check no kung ano ang nangyayari sa paligid. I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lang. Take what's only yours. I also want you to know to believe in, I want you to believe rather, no, sa divine timing, because this is a timeless reading. So whenever you find the reading, the message is meant to find you. Ayan. First of all, I would love also to apologize sa hindi na sa audio, no, sa boses ko na to. At hindi ako umiiyak ha. Although naluluha ako, may sakit po ako ngayon. May lagnat tayo. At yung boses ko paubos na. So kung umubo man ako, pasensya na, no? At parang pakikumatching ang ating boses. So sorry. Pagtiyagaan nyo na. Baka naman pwedeng makahingi ng like to, comment and share. Ayan. So simulan na natin ang inyong reading. Effort na effort tayo. How is the Hangman? The Witch of Wands. And the Balance. Marami dito tayong mga pinag-iisipan no? Parang ang sinasabi natin, aantayin ko pa ba siya? Ayan na. Kokontakin ko pa ba siya? Meron pa ba akong aasahan, no? Should I really move forward with my life? Should I close, no, this book, this chapter of my life with my person, and write a new chapter? Ayan, ang dami natin pinag-iisipan. Let's clarify here the Hangman. Actually, you're getting the hang of it. What I'm trying to say here is, parang syempre, masakit, nasanay ka na may kasama, no? Meron ka mga bagay na nakikita, napapanood, naaamoy, napupuntahan, dating kasama mo si person. Masakit yon. Although you're getting the hang of it, parang medyo nagnanumb na yung feelings mo, yung puso mo, parang, this is another pain. Parang, I am getting used to, no? Of experiencing all these. Parang, to me, it's becoming normal, no? But of course, I'm crossing my fingers. I am crossing my fingers na hopefully magpakita uli si person, no? Or maging kami uli. Pero that hope, medyo konti na lang, no? Medyo konti na lang. Pero yun pa rin nga, you're not complaining, getting the hang of it. Parang sinasabi mo nga dito, hanggat nakikita ko yung small glimpse of hope, no? Then, why not, no? Bakit? Sino ba naman ayaw umasa? Ayan. With the Crown of Swords and the Five of Pentacles. So the Five of Pentacles and the Crown of Swords, hindi naman sa papunta ka na sa galit. I think, nung iniwan ka niya, you feel sorry for yourself. I think that napunta ka rin sa galit. Ngayon, parang humuhupa naman yung galit. Parang yun nga, sabi ko, you're getting a hang of all of this. So, parang sinabi nitong clarification cards natin, tama yung explanation ko, inulit ko lang. Sinabi lang niya na, okay, eto nga yung nararamdaman. Now, let's clarify the balance, no? Kasi you kind of like sitting on a fence and you don't probably understand what is actually happening. With the Two of Wands and the Sovereign. So, ang nakikita natin dito, the Sovereign kasi is sort of like, am I going to, parang ganun pa rin, am I going to do this? Pero with the Two of Wands, meron kang gagawing action dito eh. Naku, parang meron siyang drum roll, no? Parang may drum roll na ganyan na, ano bang gagawin mo? Are you going to leave the person? Are you going to actually continue, no? Or ano ba? Ako yung naiintriga. The Temperance. Ayun. And the Six of Pentacles. Ang hirap naman, parang hindi kita ma-spelling dito, no? Ang hirap nitong situation mo ngayon dahil you're trying to move forward. Siguro parang ganito, sinusubukan kong lumakad ng palayo dito sa relasyon. However, kung tatawagin niya ako, lilingon ako, siguro mag-step forward ako, no, approaching the person, minimal, pero mas gusto kong siya yung lumapit sa akin. Magkakaroon kami ng conversation, yes, pero gusto ko marinig muna lahat before making a decision. So, it's either what you call this benefit of the doubt. You're not closing your door fully. Probably the door was ajar. One thing is for sure, if this is not closure that you are, I think that this is not closure din eh. With that being said, ano ang gusto mo? Siguro ang clarity, no? Or gusto ko siya makita for the last time. Gusto kong i-gauge din yung sarili ko kung is this the same feeling, no? Ito pa rin ba yung nararamdaman ko? Kapag nakita ko siya, or siguro tinitest, that's actually the word. Tinitest mo yung sarili mo para sabihin natin na makita, no? Or ma-evaluate mo kung talaga bang mag-move forward na ako or I'm really going to give this person a chance. Okay. The Lovers, the Judgment, and the Four of Cups. Ayan. But parang ngayon gusto kong sabihin, parang gusto kong maiyak. Kasi yung iba sa inyo siguro, no? Oo, mahal kita. Pero alam kong hindi ka nakakabuti sa akin. So I am choosing myself over anyone else. Mahal kita na dun yung feelings masakit para sa akin lumayo. Yes, that is true. Pero hindi ko rin hahayaang lumapit ka para saktan mo ako uli. Mahal kita dahil gusto ko sana, no, bigyan ka ng chance. Pero yung na-experience ko sa'yo, also giving me enough reason not to take you again, not to open myself again. Ganon kalala, no? Yung pain na binigay nitong taong to sa'yo. Kasi you already made a judgment in here eh. Although with the Lovers, meron siguro siyang mga bagay na naiisip ngayon na ikaw talaga ang para sa kanya, hindi ka dapat iniwan, no? Well, with the Four of Pentacles and the Witch of Swords, I think that you are not ready yet or you are not prepared yet, no? You are not ready and you are not prepared yet to accept your person. Parang hindi ka pa fully healed. Ito yung nakikita natin. Parang hindi ka pa fully ready na magkabalikan kayo. Gusto mo siguro siyang makita, gauging yourself. I think that this is it. Tinetest mo yung sarili mo para malaman mo yung susunod mong hakbang. Pero hindi para i-accept si person right off the bat. Dahil mas mahal mo na yung sarili mo, dahil mas may importansya na yung sarili mo above anyone else, no? So, yeah, this is your reading. Go you. I approve. Tignan natin ang zodiac sign na. Pero bago yan, kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, let me know sa comment section. Kwentuhan nyo naman ako. Baka pwede nga naman, no, mag-like kayo, no? Share. Yan. Subscribe. Ayan. Ano pa ba? That will help the channel. Kita nyo naman, effort na effort tayo. May lagnat na, umiiyak na ako, no? Mas dahil sa sakit ng ulo. Pero since mahal ko kayo, hindi ko pwedeng hindi gawin to, no? Hanggat kaya ko, hanggat may boses pang lumalabas at hindi ako nagko-collapse dito, I will do my service to you. Kaya please, no? Pwede kayo mag-donate kung gusto nyo. Meron dyan donate sa description box. And speaking of description box, kung meron kayong mga tanong, sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yon. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. No? Now, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Now, this can be their sun sign or a placement sa kanilang chart. I am seeing Gemini, Taurus. The 4 of Cups is a Scorpio. I'm seeing Libra. I am seeing Gemini is very dominant, no? Aquarius. I am seeing Virgo. Scorpio na naman. Ayan. Scorpio is dominant, no? Pisces is here, Leo. Taurus. Ayan. Capricorn. Aries. Sagittarius. Ayan, so this is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.